Okay, most of this you've already seen. This is just kind of an update. Still nothing there. That's just my cabinets. There's my little coffee shelf. And don't you think a wine cooler would fit under there nicely? I do. Okay, he got my shower mostly finished today. Got the floor put in, partly. And part of the shower, of course, is already in. And my little alcove. And these are going to be my lights. I only had one bulb that would fit, so I'll have to get those. And they are on a dimmer switch. Well, however you work it. There we go. That'll be good. And I have my coffee or my wine or my whatever. And there's the light. And my sink's in there somewhere. So that's it. And of course my vanity will go over there. And we still have all that over there. But that's about it. And we're up to snuff. He's going to do the floor tomorrow. And we'll be good to go.